I just got a giant box from SKIN1004. It came in the mail, and I'm going to unbox it, and I figured we could do it together. So they are having an amazing sale coming up for Black Friday and for the holidays. And a lot of this stuff is going to be included in their Black Friday sale. I think they might have sent me everything that they had. Not sold, but I've been seeing their sales, and I've been so tempted because I love their products. They're so good. Anyway, do you want to see what we got? First, spot cover patches. There's 22 in here. I have not tried their patches yet, and as you can see, I kind of could benefit from some right now. That's what happens when I travel. It's so frustrating. Okay. Next up is the quick calming pads. So I have tried these. I love these. They're great. They're lightweight. They've got such a amount of juice on there. They're awesome. Poromizing quick clay stick mask. So this is in a little tube, and that's exactly what it is. And it's pink. I like pink. And you untwist it and you just smear it all over and you let it dry 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then you rinse it off and your face feels so good and all the impurities are just sucked right out. Probiotica eye cream. So I don't know if I've tried this one or not. I don't think I have. Tea Tree spot cream. I have not tried this yet. And again, I can benefit from that right now. So yay. These I just finished. Well, I didn't finish. I got these in from another brand to shoot up some video for them. And I really like them. They're cute. Do I have one? Yeah, I've got one of them open right here so you can see. It's a nice size. It's a nice amount. It goes on good and easy. So I have more. So that's always better than having less. This is this line. And this has Centella asiatica in it. Probiotica cream. Oh, that's what this is. Probiotica Enriched Cream. I don't think I've tried this one yet. If I have, it's been a while. But I like the thicker, richer moisturizers. So I'm looking forward to that. Soothing Cream. I don't think I've done this one recently. Ampule. Yay! I don't think I've had that one either. Probiotica Essence Toner. I believe this is also new. And all of this stuff is available on TikTok Shop. They have a bunch of deals going down, which is pretty cool. Poromizing Ampule. I don't know if I've used this one. I do like their ampules so much. I might have. But I get another one and we're going to try it together and you're going to get to see it. Light Cleansing Oil. I'm actually going through one of these right now at my sink. Ampule Foam. That's new. Well, new to me. Haha. Poromizing Deep Cleansing Foam. That is also new to me. I could have used this while I was gone. This is a travel kit with pure Centella from Madagascar. Does it say what it has? The light cleansing oil, the Madagascar Centella Ampule Foam, the toning toner, and a toning toner is always better than a non-toning toner. The Ampule and the Soothing Cream. Oh, that's nice. I love these little travel kits because I have a travel bag and it just makes it so nice. And the other thing I'll do with these is I will put them in my purse so I'm ready to wash my face. You know, sometimes you're out and about for the day and you just feel ugh, and just splashing water doesn't cut it. Poromizing Light Gel Cream. Yes, I just used up one of these. I did use it. I used it all up. However, the gel creams are not always my favorite. This I use usually in the morning, and then the richer, heavier creams at night, like tonight. Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. That's a mouthful, but it's also huge. Probiotica Intensive Ampule. You know, SKIN1004 has some of the best ampules, and I've got a bunch of them, and I love to use them, and they feel so good on. The toning toner and the porumizing clear toner. And that's what they sent me. So we're gonna see what deals they're having on TikTok Shop. Hold on. Excuse me. What deals they're having on TikTok Shop. I'll try to match them up to what I have here and show you, because their deals are just amazing right now. It is so awesome. So yay. And we'll prep up for Black Friday. What are you shopping for? Are you shopping? I assume you're shopping. Everyone should be shopping.